Go.
Hi, Ken Stewart here with a 1971 Peterbilt 288 model. It's a custom street rod job that I done. It's taken me 4 years. We've got, as you can see, the hood tilts. The fenders are mounted onto the frame. We've got a 5.9 Cummins 12 valve and a Allison 6-speed automatic. The chassis and the engine is out of a diesel pusher motorhome. We've had some custom airbrush work done on the front. We've custom made fenders to roll forward, so we eliminated the bumper. We've got custom running boards. We've got custom mirror brackets.
Oh, sorry.
I sure can.
Yeah.
We've got marine vinyl. I wanted the wood look, teak look, and that's marine vinyl they use in yachts. We've got power windows. We've eliminated the wing windows and the doors. We've this year here had the lower top, smaller windows, and 73 they enlarged the viewing area for the driver, raising the everything, so I haven't chopped anything on this. This is the cab that come off the original chassis that had over 1 million miles on it. Found it in Tampa, Florida area, and had a tree growing up through the frame rail, and we cut the tree down, dragged the truck out, and started the restoration. I custom made a bed for it. I was going to go with a pickup bed, but wanted something a little different. And we've designed this bed here. It's got the tread bright on the top, and we've painted it, and we've sanded every diamond. There's 16,000 diamonds in that. We've hand sanded all of them and clear coated over the top. We've got super singles on the rear. That was a must-have. We kept with air brake, air ride. Even added air ride on the front, so we've got air ride all around. We've got the exhaust tip coming out the side. We've got a couple compartments on each side for storing luggage and batteries. We've got a bunch of LED lights on the side and underglow lights underneath that play the music in different colors. We've got the, it's called a needle nose, the 71, and this model went all the way to 72. And I like the 36-inch front grille. They had to go in 73 to a 48-inch opening, which allowed more cooling efficiency, but the look of the needle nose is spectacular.
So you just drive this around town?
I do. I only had it done 3 weeks at this point.
Oh, okay.
And I've been coming up to this show for 4 years, saying the next year I'll have it here, and finally it's here.
Great, looks great, man.
But yeah, we drive it to lunch, although we've only had it, like I said, 3 weeks. I've driven it every day that 3 weeks. Cool. And plan on driving it every day.
Sweet. Name again, Ken?
It's Ken Stewart.
Ken Stewart. Thanks very much, Ken.
Thank you.